Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of display on Capcut. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of display on Capcut, you should just go to settings. In the first you can go to apps and you can click on Capcut. Sorry, not here. You will go to Capcut. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. If you will find the update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.